In this video, I want to show you one of the most powerful tools for doing keyword research and optimizing your SEO, your search engine optimization for Amazon, but not by projecting what you should be doing. Rather, we're going to study existing listings that are best sellers and what they've done correctly. The reason we're doing this is because, hey, when we conduct product research, we're doing that because instead of guessing, we're going to go look at what's working, right? Audit the existing demand, and then go carve out a piece of that pie for ourselves. Well, if we extend that just one step further, we want to look at what keywords people are actually typing into the search bar. It's one thing to guess, but there are ways to actually get the search terms and phrases associated with those best-selling listings. That's what I'm going to show you in this video with the help of SellerSprite. So let's get to it. So the feature I'm excited to show you in this video is the reverse ASIN lookup. And I don't know how to do that without using the help of a tool like SellerSprite, which is my go-to for all things researching Amazon. You've probably seen me do product research on SellerSprite recently, but they actually have a whole bunch of tools. One of them that I want to focus on is the reverse ASIN. So if you go up to tools, then under keyword sprite, go to reverse ASIN, and that's what we're going to be using in this video. But in order for this to work, we have to provide it in ASIN. So why don't we look at some best-selling t-shirts? All right, I actually have a few pulled up that I want to use. So all we need to do is go up to the URL and copy the ASIN straight from there. Okay, you can see it says get in loser, we're playing D&D. Maybe we don't know what D&D is, or we don't know why people are buying this, right? We're just conducting research, and this is a regular bestseller, regular like top 20, top 30 shirt. So there's something going on here that people like. I'm going to go to SellerSprite's reverse ASIN. I will paste it and I will click search. Again, we don't need to be experts in every niche, but if there's a lot of demand in that niche, if we want to make money selling t-shirts, we might want to sell in that niche, right? Even without being an expert. It's just called auditing the existing demand, like I said. So I'm going to scroll down here to where SellerSprite has given us all the primary keywords associated with this listing. It looks like the first keyword is D&D, okay? And the click share is about 92%. I don't know how they have this data, by the way. It's insane that they do. But it looks like when you type DND, a lot of the, it's not saying that when people type DND into Amazon, 92% of them click this listing. It's not saying that. It's saying that 92% of the people that arrive at this listing had searched for DND and then ended up there, okay? And it's organically ranked. You can see that there, second column. After DND, it's DND shirt, okay? D and then the letter N, D, shirt. That's 6% of the search volume. And the third is D ampersand D shirt. So it looks like the primary keywords in this example are fairly obvious, right? And that's about 1.5%. And you can actually see one of the most valuable things here is the rightmost column where you get the PPC suggested bid for this keyword. So this is a great, I mean, guys, I don't want to make this about advertising on Amazon, but when you advertise on Amazon, you either do automatic campaigns or manual campaigns. When you do auto campaigns, you trust Amazon to figure it out and you pay for them to figure out what keywords are relevant. SellerSprite is going to shortcut that for you, tell you what keywords are relevant. Okay, all you need is a SellerSprite subscription linked at the top of the description. And it gives you the range for the bids for manual. I was going to say there's auto and then there's manual. If you come in blind for manual bids, you're probably going to overspend. I always say start low and work your way up, because if you start high, you never really know how low you could have gone to get impressions, and then hopefully impressions lead to clicks, etc. But this is just one example. And there's things beyond this that you can do. You can actually extend the search sometimes. I don't think this is one of those examples, but I'll show you. Oh no, up here. Yeah, you can click get all keyword variations as well, and you can actually extend the keyword search. We'll do that later on. And then here you see the word frequency from the product listing itself. Okay, so if you wanted to like take this Amazon listing and post it to Etsy, well, this word frequency section right here, you can copy it in one click to your clipboard and then go use them as Etsy tags, for instance, just as a shortcut, or Redbubble, for instance. You need your tags, boom, done. Let's go to another example. This is a outdoor dad joke shirt. It says I'm going outside, so if anyone asks, ... I'm outstanding. Hilarious. More residual from Father's Day. Let's go back up to the top of the page. I'm going to paste this ASIN, and let's see what the reverse ASIN search on SellerSprite has for us. Okay, so we'll scroll down. By the way, you get all the other variations listed up there. You get the organic keyword count up there. Looks like 3 primary keywords are driving the traffic. And by the way, for merch listings where there's like tens of millions of products, not everything has full data. So this is one of those examples, but you still get 3 relevant keywords: punny t-shirts instead of funny, dad pun shirt, and punny dad shirt. And for each of these, if you want to, you can click and basically view additional products on Amazon that are indexed on these search terms. So that's one example. That was the number 1 ranked shirt, by the way. Here's the number 2 ranked shirt. Okay, so this is number 2, encourage dash mints. So what is it doing? It's going and finding funny pun shirts on Amazon that are related, right? Synonym roles, just like grammar used to make, etc., etc. All right, let's look at the 3rd shirt that I had pulled up. I heart my girlfriend. If you guys remember a year ago, these shirts were going like crazy for a few months, selling extremely well. Let's see why. What keywords are people typing in to buy that shirt? I love my girlfriend t-shirt, 34%. I heart my girlfriend, which is what I would describe it as, 12%. So it looks like I'm in a minority. I love my boyfriend. Delivery today somehow became relevant. I love my girlfriend shirt. I love my girlfriend. Will you be my girlfriend? Girlfriend. I heart my girlfriend shirt. I space my girlfriend shirt. Maybe people had the heart emoji. My love. I love my GF. I heart. I love my GF shirt. I love my hot girlfriend shirt. So you see what I'm saying? Like, we could have started with just this shirt, and you would have realized I should extend this into a very similar niche, but add one additional keyword. If you're familiar at all with how Amazon search works, adding that one additional keyword is treated like an entirely separate query in terms of, like, if there's a exact result for that additional keyword, Amazon's more than likely going to favor the listings with that exact match in the title, which is where you have the strongest signal. Of course, there's other factors at play. A lot of sales history, has to do with it as well. But then you end up on the I love my hot girlfriend. Looks like that one was deleted, interestingly enough. A lot of these are deleted. I wonder why. Maybe it got trademarked or something. But the I heart my hot girlfriend, if you guys remember, that was like a big niche attached to the emergence of the I love my girlfriend, I heart my girlfriend. Here's one that's been kind of popular lately. It says, first of all, I'm a delight, with a possum or an opossum. I think I Googled what the difference was, but I totally forgot. Reverse ASIN search. First of all, I'm a delight is the primary search term associated. I didn't know if it was possum shirt that was associated. I would have guessed that. But first of all, I'm a delight is the main search term. First of all, I'm a delight is also the second. There must be like a small, maybe it's like the presence of an apostrophe is the difference there. But if you combine them, that's about 53% of clicks leading. It also gives you the high conversion associated with this ASIN. It's saying that this ASIN is converting extremely high on those search terms. Okay, because sometimes you reverse ASIN search and then it points us to other shirts. Remember how it was showing us the pun shirts, the punny shirts that were converting at a higher clip? Whereas here it's saying, hey, this is one of the top converting, actually the top converting, it looks like, shirts when you type in, first of all, I'm a delight. Then you get possum shirt. First of all, I'm a delight shirt. First of all, I'm a delight sweatshirt. So now you need, hey, people are searching for sweatshirt. I'm a delight shirt. Okay, so people are abbreviating basically what's on the shirt in the text in the design. I'm a delight sweatshirt. First of all, I'm a delight shirt. Opossum shirt. So possum, opossum. First of all, I'm a delight. So it looks like that's basically the, you know what I mean? That's basically the primary search terms associated. So long kindergarten. It's been fun. Can use this as a quick example just to show you guys, like, it's very versatile, this reverse ASIN search. And the scope of what we're doing in this video is for print on demand, but like, you bet this works for all things FBA, really anything that you're doing on Amazon, KDP, it's going to work just the same. So even though we just looked at a kindergarten shirt, the top search terms are kindergarten graduation gifts, not even including the word shirt in the phrase, the search terms. Kindergarten graduation shirt is number 2. Graduation gifts for kindergarten. Best kindergarten graduation gifts. Kindergarten gifts for boys. Boy kindergarten graduation gifts. Kindergarten graduation gift. Looks like boy is being favored a lot though, interestingly enough. And then of course you have the associated PPC bids for each of these terms because they're each unique. That's extremely helpful and powerful. Hi, it's me. I'm the birthday girl. It's me. This is one that's actually really a good example. So stick with me, because you might not know why this is trending. Hi, it's me. I'm the birthday girl. It's me. Wait, so it's just another birthday shirt? Not exactly. Come down here and look at the word frequency. What do you see? Taylor Swift. Taylor Swift, the 2 top words. Okay, it's already basically telling you what's going on. Then you look at the top phrase associated, Taylor Swift merch, Taylor Swift shirt, Taylor Swift outfit. Number 4 is the first one you see that doesn't say Taylor Swift, it says birthday girl. Then you get Taylor Swift gifts again. And if you're selling merch, you're selling anything, you don't want to be, selling Taylor Swift because that's a quick route to losing your account. The I'm Not Old, I'm Classic shirt I had pulled up because how could you not? This shirt is just a mainstay here. Scroll down. Birthday gifts for men is actually the top search term driving traffic. But this is the most beautiful chart I've seen in terms of print-on-demand shirts. The top market share in terms of search terms that somebody clicked into the search bar that led to this listing is only 8.2%. I mean, that's insane. That's so impressive, man. And I mean, that's how you get that bestseller, right? This I'm Not Old, I'm Classic, 9,108 ratings, okay? And I've heard that like maybe 5%, like 1 in 20 purchases lead to a review. And it's probably lower than that, let's be real. So they've sold quite a few and they're $19.99. Over 2,000 bought this month. You just knew that they were indexed on a bunch of different search terms. But look at these, man. High value. Birthday gifts for men. By the way, average PPC bid, $1.75. Number 2, dad. 8.1% click share. $2.90 average PPC bid. Dad birthday gift. Men's birthday gift ideas. Birthday gifts for dad. Men birthday gifts ideas. Gifts for dad. Dad shirt. Dad gifts. Shirts for men. Graphic tees. Just insane. So broad. So generic. And all of these are driving traffic to this listing. I mean, we could scroll down to like the 30th, okay? Cool men's birthday gifts, okay? Cool men's birthday gifts are the search terms. 0.82% in terms of percentage breakdown of what's driving traffic there, which is still good for 1,330 estimated weekly impressions. That's insane. 1,300 a week. I mean, damn. I wish I had that shirt. I wish it was mine. In another life, maybe. All right, one more. This is a funny one. It says, I swallow juicy wieners. I honestly didn't think this would have any data on it, but it actually had really good data when I was kind of prepping for this video. So we scroll down. Funny shirts is the most traffic being driven at 19%. Funny t-shirts, 12.5%. Inappropriate shirts, 7%. Funny shirt, funny t-shirts, funny shirts for women. Inappropriate shirts for women. Like, I think, inappropriate shirts for women. If you had to sell this shirt, would you think of including the word inappropriate? Which I think is actually an appropriate shirt. Sorry. I think it is an appropriate word, the word inappropriate, to associate with this funny shirt about swallowing juicy wieners, right? The hot dog niche is on fire. I told you guys. Adult humor. Again, another high value search term. Would you have thought of it? Maybe. But if you forgot, SellerSprite has your back with the reverse ASIN search. You don't need to guess. Ugly shirt. Funny t-shirts, adult humor. Funny t-shirts for women. Inappropriate shirts for men also. Women funny shirts. Raunchy t-shirts. The word raunchy, I would say you could associate with this design. So guys, you get the point. SellerSprite is removing the guesswork, helping us get indexed with our new listings. When you have a new listing, you don't have sales history. How do you signal to the algorithm when to show you, right? Because if you have the algorithm show you and you're not relevant to the search terms, the algorithm will bury you. It'll say, why'd you do that? You're creating a poor customer experience on Amazon. Don't do that again. But if you have relevant signals being the keywords you associate with your new listings, then the algorithm knows when to show you when it's relevant. Customers see your listing, they click your listing, they purchase, and then Amazon becomes happy and they start to boost your organic rank. You see what I'm saying, guys? This makes sense, right? Nothing that I'm saying is too crazy. And SellerSprite is expediting our ability to get in front of the right people. So check it out. Linked at the top of the description, guys. Thank you for watching. Please hit that like button and subscribe on your way out. And I'll see you soon with another new video.